Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to switch Google Assistant to Gemini on Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. So, if you have Google Assistant as your assistant on Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus, then to switch it back to Gemini, you just need to open the Gemini app, which if you don't have, you can go to Play Store and search for Gemini. Although I already have it, I can only update it, but I'm not gonna do it now. And then just open the app, click on more, continue, more, use Gemini. And now it's already switched. So you can see that now Gemini is my default assistant. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.